Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Dyson Cordless Stick Vacuum Review Efficiency that matters most. Generac 6808 EcoGen Series Off-Grid Standby Generat Review. Every detail considered best mirrorless vlog camera, 4K, 60 FPS BOBLOV 5K body camera, with microphone W5 vlogging. Why Mesliese vacuum sealer machine 95 kilopascals, 140 W20 Lmin is a highly versatile choice. A closer look at Nespresso Virtuo Next Coffee Espresso Machine. New features best. Razer Blade 18 Laptop. Razer Blade Pro 17 Gaming Laptop. 2021 Intel Core Mon TK077 Ultra Slim TV Wall Mount for $37.75 review. Testing features. You need Samsung 85. The Frame Pro 4K Neo QLED Smart TV 2025 review. Advanced tech for better results. LG 48-inch class OLED Evo AI Super Upscaling 4K C5 review. Built for professional use, exploring the unique features of LG OLED GX Series 77 Alexa built-in 4K Smart TV 384 ASRock Phantom Gaming Radeon RX 7900 XTX 20 4GB OCG review, a comprehensive performance guide. Check the link in the description to get yours today.